If your new Toyota Tacoma won't drive straight after wheeling, this is what your alignment shop may be missing. Every time I drove my truck on loose dirt, a few minutes in, I'd hear this subtle popping sound on turns. So I brought it into Off-Road Warehouse to see what was going on.
Your toe was out pretty bad.
Derek here realigned my truck and noticed that the lower control arm cam bolts were under torqued, which means every time I hit a trail, the cams were actually rotating under load and my alignment was physically shifting. And the popping sound was probably the cam settling back into place. Now, this is important. The previous gen Toyota Tacoma torque spec for these bolts is 106 foot-pounds, but the updated spec is almost double at 206 foot-pounds. So if a shop is using an older profile or hasn't seen the update, your truck could be leaving the shop under-torqued without anyone realizing it. And one more thing, I had an excessive amount of wheel weights from balancing issues. I mean, look at this thing, it's like a lead vest, so Derek rebalanced everything properly. These seem like small, obvious details, but on the trail, they can turn into big problems. Better to catch them here than out there. I would know.